Hello, Maya.
Hello, Alex. How are you today?
I am fine, thank you. How about you?
I am okay, but I feel very busy today.
You feel busy today?
Yes, I have many things to do.
I understand. I am busy too.
Really? What do you need to do today?
I need to work in the morning and study in the evening.
That sounds like a long day.
Yes, it is a long day.
What time do you wake up every day?
I wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning.
6 o'clock? That is early.
Yes, I like to wake up early.
What do you do after you wake up?
I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, I always eat breakfast.
That is good. Breakfast is important.
What time do you wake up, Maya?
I wake up at 7:30 in the morning.
That is not too late.
Yes, but I feel rushed in the morning.
Why do you feel rushed?
Because I have little time.
I see. Time is very important.
What time do you start work?
I start work at 9 o'clock.
Do you go to work every day?
Yes, I work from Monday to Friday.
Do you like your work?
Yes, I like my work, but it is busy.
I understand. Busy work can be tiring.
Do you have a schedule?
Yes, I have a simple schedule.
That is good. A schedule helps a lot.
Yes, it helps me manage my time.
Do you write your schedule on paper?
Sometimes, but I also use my phone.
I use my phone too.
Alex, do you feel busy every day?
Yes, I feel busy almost every day.
Do you have enough time for yourself?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no.
I feel the same way.
Managing time is not easy.
Yes, but we can try.
Let us practice together.
Say this sentence with me.
I wake up early every
day.
day.
Now say this sentence.
I feel busy today. Good. One more sentence. I try to manage my time.
Alex, what time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10:30.
That is a good time.
Yes, sleeping early helps me.
I want to sleep earlier too.
You can try little by little.
Managing time is important in life.
Yes, good time management helps us feel calm.
I want to improve my daily routine.
You are doing well. Just keep trying. Maya, do you have free time today?
I have a little free time in the evening.
That is good. Free time is important.
Yes, but I do not have much free time.
I understand. I also have limited free time.
What do you do in your free time, Alex?
I like to relax and read a book.
That sounds nice and calm.
Yes, it helps me feel relaxed.
Do you watch television in your free time?
Sometimes, but not every day.
What do you usually watch?
I watch simple shows and short videos.
I do the same. Short videos are easy to watch.
Yes, they do not take much time. Maya, how do you choose what to do first?
I think about what is important.
That is a good idea.
Important things come first.
Yes, priorities are important.
Sometimes it is hard to choose.
I agree. Choosing priorities is not easy.
What is your top priority every day, Alex?
My top priority is my work.
And after work?
After work, I study English.
That is a good habit.
Thank you. I try to study a little every day. What about you, Maya?
My priority is my health.
That is very important.
Yes, I try to sleep well and eat well.
Good health helps us manage time better.
Yes, I feel better when I take care of myself. Do you plan your free time, Alex?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no.
I try to plan my free time.
Does it help you?
Yes, it helps me relax without stress.
That is good to hear. Let us practice together.
Say this sentence with me.
I have some free time today.
Now say this sentence. My
My
work
work
is my
is
priority.
my priority. Good. One more sentence.
I
try to use my time well.
Alex, do you feel guilty when you rest?
Sometimes yes, but rest is important.
I feel the same way.
Rest helps us work better later.
Yes, balance is important in life. Managing free time is part of managing time.
Yes, free time helps us feel happy.
I want to use my free time better.
You are doing well. Just keep practicing. Maya, do you plan your day in the morning?
Yes, I plan my day every morning.
That is a good habit.
It helps me feel less stressed.
How do you plan your day?
I think about my tasks for the day.
Do you write them down?
Yes, I write them in a small notebook. Do you plan your day, Alex?
Yes, but I keep it simple.
Why do you keep it simple?
Because simple plans are easy to follow.
I agree. Simple plans work better.
What is the first thing you plan, Maya?
I plan my work tasks first.
That makes sense.
Work takes most of my time.
Yes, work is important.
Do you plan breaks in your day?
Yes, I plan short breaks.
That is smart.
Breaks help me stay focused.
I need more breaks too.
How long is your break usually?
About 10 minutes.
That is a good length.
I use my break to relax.
What do you do during your break?
I stretch and drink some water. Do you plan your meals, Alex?
Yes, I plan my meals when I can.
Does it save time?
Yes, it saves time and energy.
I want to try that.
Let us practice together.
Say this sentence with me.
I plan my day
in the morning.
morning.
Now say this sentence.
I write my tasks down. Good. One more sentence. Planning helps me use my time well.
Alex, what do you do if your plan changes?
I stay calm and adjust my plan.
That is a good way.
Plans can change, and that is okay.
Yes, flexibility is important. Planning the day helps me feel in control.
Yes, a clear plan makes the day easier. Maya, do you have busy days?
Yes, I have busy days very often.
How do you feel on busy days?
I feel tired and sometimes stressed.
I feel the same way.
Busy days can be hard. What makes your day busy, Alex?
Many tasks and little time.
That happens to me too.
When I feel busy, I slow down.
Slow down? How do you do that?
I take a deep breath and focus on one task. Do you try to do many things at the same time?
Yes, sometimes I do.
Does it help you?
No, it makes me more tired.
I agree. One task at a time is better.
I need to remember that. What do you do when you feel stressed?
I take a short break.
How long is your break?
5 or 10 minutes.
That sounds helpful.
Do you ask for help on busy days, Maya?
Sometimes, but not always.
Asking for help is okay.
Yes, I know. I want to do that more. What is your main goal on a busy day, Alex?
My main goal is to finish important tasks.
Not all tasks.
No, only the important ones.
That makes sense.
Let us practice together.
Say this sentence with me.
Today is a busy day.
Now say this sentence.
I focus on one task at a time. Good. One more sentence.
I take breaks when I feel tired. Alex, do you work late on busy days?
Sometimes, yes, but I try not to.
Why do you try not to?
Because rest is important.
I agree. Rest helps us recover. Busy days are part of life.
Yes, but we can handle them better. Maya, do you want to build better habits?
Yes, I really want to build better habits.
That is a great goal.
Good habits help us manage time better.
I agree with you.
What habit do you want to start, Alex?
I want to wake up early every day.
That is a good habit.
It helps me start the day calmly.
I want to wake up earlier too.
Do you try to change many habits at once?
No, I change one habit at a time.
That is a smart way.
Small changes are easier.
Yes, small steps matter.
How do you remember your habits, Alex?
I remind myself every day.
Do you write reminders?
Yes, I write simple reminders.
That is helpful.
What habit helps you the most, Maya?
Planning my day in the morning.
That habit is very useful.
Yes, it saves time and energy.
Good habits make life easier.
Do you miss your habits sometimes?
Yes, sometimes I do.
What do you do then?
I start again the next day.
That is a good attitude.
Let us practice together.
Say this sentence with me. I want to build better habits. Now say this sentence. I start with small changes.
Good. One more sentence.
Good habits help me manage my time. Alex, how long does it take to build a habit?
It takes time and practice.
So we need to be patient.
Yes, patience is important.
I will keep trying every day. Building better habits is a long journey.
Yes, but every small step counts.
I feel more confident now.
You are doing great. Keep going. I feel busy today.
I feel busy today.
I wake up early every day.
I wake up early every day.
I have many things to do.
I have many things to do.
I try to manage my time.
I try to manage my time.
I start work at 9 o'clock.
I start work at 9 o'clock.
I work from Monday to Friday.
I work from Monday to Friday.
I like my work, but it is busy.
I like my work, but it is busy.
I have some free time today.
I have some free time today.
Free time is important.
Free time is important.
My work is my priority.
My work is my priority.
I try to use my time well.
I try to use my time well.
I plan my day in the morning.
I plan my day in the morning.
I write my tasks down.
I write my tasks down.
Simple plans are easy to follow.
Simple plans are easy to follow.
Planning helps me feel calm.
Planning helps me feel calm.
Today is a busy day.
Today is a busy day.
I focus on one task at a time.
I focus on one task at a time.
I take breaks when I feel tired.
I take breaks when I feel tired.
Rest is important.
Rest is important.
I want to build better habits.
I want to build better habits.
I start with small changes.
I start with small changes.
Good habits help me manage my time.
Good habits help me manage my time.
I keep trying every day.
I keep trying every day.
Managing time helps me feel calm.
Managing time helps me feel calm.
I want to improve my daily routine.
I want to improve my daily routine.
I am learning step by step.
I am learning step by step.